All right, gentlemen. First and foremost, thank you for lunch. It was a great time seeing you guys and getting to catch up. And I'm honored and feel blessed that, I get the opportunity to work with you guys already, let alone continue this journey together, of working hand in hand with you guys. And in the meantime, also too, um, working with you, Wayne, and just both of you, working with Paradise Performance has helped me grow tremendously in my own skill set and my own business. And I feel like Wayne, you're amazing with giving me great feedback on the products or the results and the products that I provide to you guys. And I don't feel like I get, I don't want to say stuff that I don't get the chance. I feel like maybe I just, you know, haven't said it enough, and so I can't thank you enough for allowing me to share this experience and this journey with you guys and trusting me to guide you guys in one facet of this journey that owning a business is, right? So, but with that, I won't I won't get too sentimental here. But I wanted to show you guys exactly how you can get. I mean, don't get me wrong. I will happily jump in and pull keyword data for you guys all day. I don't know, something about it just for me is just so great. I don't know. It's just like the world stops around me when I get into the keyword planner and get to pull data. I know it sounds kind of weird, but all right. Anyways, without further ado, I'm going to show you guys how you can pull it if you're ever, I don't know, if you're waiting on me. I mean, hopefully I don't keep you waiting too long, but if you're ever waiting on me or if you want to just check, run through some things. So first, you're going to go into, right now we're in the Google Ads account, and I'm actually in your account, Wayne, and your Gmail account though, the Paradise Performance one. So let me just start from Google. So from here, you can click up here, and we are, and forgive me, I don't normally go to ads from this way, but you can go to Google Ads right here. You're going to see something along the lines of this, and then come down here to Tools, Planning, and you're going to go to Keyword Planner. Now, it can be kind of janky. That would honestly be the best way I describe it. It can just, and what I mean by that, like, is, for example, if I have, let's get a little more specific. Hold on. Okay, and then this may not be the best example, but hopefully you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, so we have these three keywords, right? VW Repair Dallas, VW Service Dallas, VW Passat Repair Dallas, and we have the results. Now,